She's going to start here and keep going. I wanted to just give her a nice example just to show her it can be fixed. A lot of times we'll make mistakes in life and we'll want to just go throw our whole life away. You don't get another life. Some people say, man, they messed the plate up. Man, can I just get a new one? Nah, fix what you get. You can fix it, fam. That's the whole purpose of changing your life. You got to use what you got and make it better, and you get to prove it over time, and you're going to get better over time. But you can't make one mistake and just say, hey, I'm throwing in the towel, fam. It ain't working out for me. You can't do it like that, fam. Can't do it like that. Don't give up.